Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you own a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you're in for a treat. So today I'll be showing you 7 powerful hidden features that can make your phone more fun, more productive, and a whole lot smarter. So from turning videos into transparent images to keeping your Wi-Fi super secure. So these tips will unlock the true potential of your device. So let's dive right into it. So feature number 1 is where you can create transparent image from a video. So Samsung's editing tools allow you to capture frames from video and make them transparent, almost like editing or creating a custom sticker. So this is super useful when you want to cut yourself out from a clip or you want to add a creative element to your notes, messages, or edits. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gallery, and here we'll go ahead and look at a video which we want to go ahead and create a transparent image. So here I have a video of an eagle. I want to go ahead and create a transparent image of this eagle just right here at the beginning. So to do this, I'll go ahead and pause the video. Next, I'll go ahead and long press on the eagle itself. Samsung's Galaxy AI will basically detect the eagle and will basically detach the eagle from the background. Now here at the top, you have 3 options. You can copy, share, or save as a sticker. If you tap on the 3 dots, you'll get more options where you can basically save it as an image. So here I want to go ahead and save this as an image. So I want to go ahead and use this somewhere else. So I can go ahead and now view that image. So this is the image which I've extracted from that video. Another example, let's go ahead and look at this. So this is the video of a car which is going through a tunnel. I want to go ahead and extract this car only from this video. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and pause it. Next, I'll go ahead and long press on that car. This will now only select the car. And again, I have 3 options, and then I can go ahead and tap on 3 dots, and then I can go ahead and save it as an image. So as you can see, it has clipped the car from the background. So this way it's basically creating a transparent image. So you can go ahead and use this anywhere you like. So let's just say, for example, I can go ahead and place it here. So I can basically create a custom transparent sticker or memes. I can add fun overlays in notes or collages, and I don't need any third-party apps on my Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 2 is where you can change the task manager to one-handed use, so like a mini mode. So the task manager can be resized into mini floating windows, making it easier to use with one hand. So instead of stretching along the big 6.9-inch screen, you can basically shrink it to a compact version and control your recent apps with your thumb only. So here I've already turned on the mini mode. So as you can see, it only takes up this part of the screen. So when you go ahead and hold this phone in one hand, you can go ahead and reach to all the available tabs. So let me show you how you can turn on this mini mode for your task manager. So for this, you'll need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up the Home Up module. Now in the Home Up module, you want to go ahead and find Task Changer. Here you want to go ahead and choose your task changer. So you have the tilt stack, you have grid, vertical, slim list. Now the mini mode is only available in tilt stack and the grid mode. So you want to go ahead and choose any of these 2. Next, you want to go ahead and find this setting called mini mode. So this shows a recent app list at the bottom of the screen in portrait mode in order to make one hand operation easier. So here I'll go ahead and turn this off, and this is how your normal task changer will look like. Now if I turn on the mini mode, so this is how it would look like. So if you're holding your phone in one hand, it'll basically be easier for you to reach to those apps. So this is perfect for one-handed navigation. It increases the comfort when multitasking, and it saves time by keeping apps within your reach. Feature number 3 is where you have a math solver on your Samsung Galaxy Notes. So Samsung Notes now comes with a built-in math solver. So you can basically just write an equation and it instantly solves it for you. So it even gives you a step-by-step solution as well. So for this, you need to go ahead and update your Samsung Notes. So I've left a link in the description down below where you can download the updated version of the Samsung Notes. From there, you want to go ahead and download it and then go ahead and install it. Please note, I do not distribute any virus, so it's completely safe. Google Drive will basically warn you that you're downloading it from an unknown source. However, it is all safe from my side. So here I'll go ahead and show you. So I'll go ahead and open up my Drive. In Drive, you're looking for this Samsung Note, which is version 4.4.32.09.apk. Now go ahead and tap on this. Go ahead and download this. Once downloaded, you want to go ahead and open up My Files. Now you want to go ahead and install that. It'll ask you to update it, so go ahead and update it. Now once that's done, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're going to go ahead and tap on New. So before we start, you're going to go ahead and tap on the three dots and then tap on Turn on Math Solver. Now next, you're going to go ahead and start writing your equation. So let's start off something easy. So as you can see, 2 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 16. So now let's bit of a harder question. And there you go. So like this, you can go ahead and give it a algebra question and it'll basically answer it for you. So as it reads, x equals to 3 and then now 2x plus 4x equals to 18. So this is great for students and professionals. It saves time on calculation and it helps learn and verify problem solving methods on your phone itself. Feature number 4 is where you can watch video and take notes at the same time. So the Galaxy S25 Ultra supports split screen multitasking, so you can watch a video like a lecture or a tutorial on one half of the screen and take notes in Samsung Notes on the other. So here I'll go ahead and show you how to do this. So here I've opened up YouTube and I've opened up a video about cataracts. Next, I can go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. I'll go ahead and create a new note here. Now here I want to go ahead and watch that video and create notes at the same time. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on the task manager. I'll go ahead and swipe on YouTube, tap on YouTube at the top here, and then I'll go ahead and tap on open in split screen view. Now this will ask me what other app I want to open in split screen view. So I'll go ahead and choose notes. And then I can go ahead and choose the amount of percentage what each of this window takes. I'll just leave it as 50%. Now I'll press play at the top. And then I can go ahead and start making my notes. So as you can see, this boosts productivity while learning, no more switching between apps, and it makes your studying or work tasks more efficient. Feature number 5 is where you can secure your Wi-Fi when you're connected to public Wi-Fi. So Samsung includes a secure Wi-Fi feature that automatically encrypts your internet traffic when you connect it to an open or a public Wi-Fi network. So it works like a built-in VPN. So let me show you how you can turn on secure Wi-Fi on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here we'll go ahead and open up the settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find security and privacy. From here, you want to go ahead and find more security settings. And here you need to find secure Wi-Fi. Tap on this. Now this will basically go through the motions of setting up secure Wi-Fi. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. And now it's all ready for you. So to turn this on, you want to go ahead and tap on protect. Of course, you need to go ahead and connect to that Wi-Fi. So I would go ahead and first go to your Wi-Fi, connect to that secure Wi-Fi. Next, you can go ahead and tap on protect. And the free plan currently only allows you 1 gig per month. So it'll only protect you for 1 gig. So here you can go ahead and protect it. However, you can go ahead and upgrade this to unlimited for £1.79 or 89 pence for 24 hours. So now while you're working at Starbucks, you are basically protected as you're connected to that public Wi-Fi. However, all your information is protected by this secure Wi-Fi from Samsung. So it protects your personal data from hackers. You can safely browse on public hotspot and you have a peace of mind when traveling or working remotely. So once you're ready, go ahead and tap on protect. And now you've connected to a secure Wi-Fi from Samsung. Feature number 6 is where you can create GIF out of a video. Using the Samsung Gallery Editor, you can basically turn any part of the video into a looping GIF. So you can trim, adjust the speed, and instantly save it for sharing on social media or in chats. So here you can go ahead and take any video, for example, this one here, and create a GIF out of it, or even something like this. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open our Edge panel, tap on AI Select, and now AI Select will basically choose this. I'll go ahead and just crop this out. Next, I'll tap on the 3 dots. Now I'll tap on Create GIF. Now I can go ahead and choose if I want in high quality or standard quality. And then once I'm ready, I can go ahead and press record. This will now record a 15-second GIF from that video. So now the GIF has been created. I can go ahead and tap on save. I can crop it out. I can pin it. I can go ahead and copy it, or I can go ahead and share this instantly to anyone I like. I'll go ahead and save it for now. And now the GIF has been created. So as you can see, this is a GIF. Now I can go ahead and share this to anyone I like. So you can create memes and fun reactions quickly. You can share lightweight animated clips instead of full videos. So you can basically customize your GIFs without needing any external apps. And lastly, feature number 7 is where you can see all the history of all the notifications on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with notification history, you can view all your past notifications, even the ones that you accidentally dismissed. So it organizes them by apps so you never miss an important alert. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll be using a module from the Good Lock app called Naughty Star. So here you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Naughty Star. Here you want to go ahead and turn this feature on. So activate Naughty Star, and then you can go ahead and turn on using it on lock screen. You can go ahead and configure all this. So application list, user filter list. You can save a work profile. You can set the notification storage period. So you can basically move it to 1 year, 6 months, 30 days, 7 days, or no limit. So you can also restrict an app from clearing the notification. So now once that feature is on, you want to go ahead and lock your screen. On your screen, you'll notice this arrow, which is right here. So to see your notification, go ahead and hold that arrow and swipe it up. Enter in your PIN number. And once you do this, you'll see your notifications. So this is the notification history of 30 days. So you can go ahead and go through them. You can go ahead and do a search. And this way you can recover missed messages or reminders. You can stay organized with past alerts. And you can avoid missing important updates. And that's it. 7 hidden features on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that can make your life easier, smarter, and more fun. Which one was your favorite? Personally, I love the transparent image trick. It's just so creative. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which feature you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.